Mastering the legal lingo, prefixes and suffixes in contract law. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the intricate world of contract law. This is a special section of law that has its own unique vocabulary. In particular, we will focus on the prefixes and suffixes used in this context. By the end of this video, you should be able to understand and use these terms more effectively. Let's get started. Before we move into the specifics of contract law, let's briefly explain what prefixes and suffixes are. A prefix is a group of letters added at the beginning of a word to create a new word with a different meaning. For instance, the prefix un changes happy into unhappy, reversing the meaning. A suffix, on the other hand, is added at the end of a word. It also changes the meaning, often transforming the word into a different part of speech. For example, ness added to happy gives us happiness, changing an adjective into a noun. Now, let's look at some commonly used prefixes in contract law. First up, we have un, such as in unenforceable. This prefix means not or the opposite of, suggesting the contract or clause cannot be enforced. Next, co is used in words like co-signatory. It means together or with, indicating that multiple parties are involved. Lastly, pre is found in precondition. This prefix means before, indicating something that must happen before another event or action. Now that we've covered prefixes, let's move on to suffixes. One common suffix is or, as in grantor. This usually denotes someone who performs an action, so a grantor is someone who grants or gives something in the contract. Another is ee, found in grantee. It denotes someone who receives or is the object of an action, meaning a grantee is a person who receives something in the contract. And we have able, like in assignable. This suffix suggests something that is capable of being done, meaning assignable refers to a contract or right that can be assigned to another party. And that's it for today's video on prefixes and suffixes in contract law. It's crucial to grasp these language features to navigate legal documents and discussions effectively. I hope you found this video helpful and that you'll be able to use and understand these terms better in your studies or professional endeavors. Thank you for watching, and remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit and use these terms regularly to help them stick. Happy learning!